Hello and welcome back to Dynamic Dune. This is our last video for Capsim tutorials. If you guys need me to do videos for the second, third, and fourth rounds, just please let me know and I will do that. But I think that you guys can do it yourselves after I do the first round with you and you all know everything. So let's go and start this video. In this video, we will be reviewing what we did and seeing the report. So we are Team Andrews, and we can go and see the report. So as you see from all the teams in here, Team Andrews is doing very well. We have highest sales, so we're growing a lot more than them, and we have highest cumulative profit. Technically, like the past round, which is we made decisions together for, the profits are almost 13 million, and then these two are at around 8 and 8.5 million. So we're doing much better in terms of profits too, and we have a slightly higher contribution margin than the others. So we're doing very well. Then we go and see we got a higher stock price than the others, and that's amazing. And then we can we see here that our net change in cash position thankfully was not in negative, so we're good. And then we can also check our net profit again in here, and we're doing very well in terms of profit. Because we needed to get more than 7 million in profit, we got almost double what they asked for. So that's good, because the profit limit or the profit requirement is going to increase by rounds. So we need to make sure that we're growing fast so we can make the profit that the simulation wants. And one thing that we actually did not do very well was forecasting. We were very generous, and we ended up for the low end, high end, and size, we ended up with a lot of inventory left. So we didn't do well in the stockouts. We probably got 0 in that. So we should be careful and not be too generous in forecasting. And as you see in the traditional, we got 44% market share, and we sold out in the traditional. Even though that we were very generous, we sold out. So that's a great thing. As you see, for awareness, we invested a lot, and we already have much higher awareness than the other teams. So the other teams have 67, 58. We invested a lot. We invested 2 million in promo budget, and therefore we got 82. So we're one round away from reaching 90 and getting 5 out of 5 in the balanced scorecard for awareness. So that's amazing. And then accessibility is at 67, and also it is the highest from the other two teams. So that's a plus, and that's good. That means that we will be able to reach to the goal before them. And you see the customer survey, we have the best products by far. We have our product is rated 43, and then the other teams, they're 10 and 7. So we have the best products by far in the traditional segment. And then the low end segment, remember what we had? We had a problem. We said that we priced our product very high because of the contribution margin, but what we did also, we increased automation all the way to 10. So in this coming round, the second round, we should be able to price our product way less. Like we can price it at 17% and still get about 45 or 50 contribution margin. So we can price at $17 and we will still be making a lot of profit. So what we need to do for the low end right now is increase capacity and produce a ton of products. So this is okay. We don't have the best product because we priced it very high because of contribution margin. It is okay. Next round is going to be better because what we're going to do is lower the price and increase capacity and produce a ton of products. And then for high end, we did not produce a lot because if you remember, our high end product did not finish updating until December. So it updated in December, so therefore we did not get a lot of sales. However, we still have the best products, and we can still keep price at highest possible. So next round, as you see, next round is gonna be less than 39.5. So what we're gonna be doing is we put 39.49, and this way we have the highest price, and it doesn't matter because we have the importance of price is only 9%. And even though that we have the highest price right now at the end of the past round, our product updated in December, and look at the customer survey. We have the best product, 37, and the next product is 25, and then this one is 13. So we have the best product, and that means that next round we will be selling out and selling everything, and we need to produce a lot. So don't worry about this round. Next round is going to be much better. We are already set up for it. And then for performance, we got 54% market share. We got 54% market share in the performance segment, and that is amazing. We got our product is way much better than them. 36 customer survey. So that means also next round we're gonna be selling a lot. We just need to be forecasting a little bit better so we don't have a lot of inventory left. And then for size, Gabe got 36%, and of course Gabe was the highest in customer survey. It has the best rating, and that means also for next round we're gonna be selling a lot, and we're probably gonna get more market share. As you see here, our performance is much higher than the other, and we're going to be increasing performance for next round. They will not be able to catch up to us. So next round we're going to be in much better position, and we'll be able to sell a lot more. So this concludes my Capsim tutorial. We did the first round together. I hope you guys understand now and know how you can do the rounds yourself. If you need help and have any questions, just write a comment in the comment section, leave a like and subscribe, and go and check my other videos. I don't only make tutorials for Capsim, I also make a lot of different types of videos. So go check my channel, subscribe to stay tuned, and I will see you in the next video. Hey guys, this is Dynamic Dune. Now that we concluded the Capsim tutorial, I was wondering, what do you guys want me to make? What type of videos are you guys interested in? If there's any type of video that you guys want me to make, just put it down in the comment section, and I will look into it, and hopefully I will make it happen. So help me there. I'm kind of brainstorming right now what to do next. So please help me and tell me what you want me to make, and see you later.